In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, move, and delete pages on your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a complete beginner, managing your page's layout can significantly enhance your site's user experience and overall design. Let's dive in and explore how easy this process can be. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for all things related to your site's design and structure. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, locate your site in the dashboard and click the Edit Site button to bring you directly into the editor. You'll notice a range of tools within the Wix editor, but for now let's focus on the page icon. It's typically found in the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking this will display all of your current pages, allowing you to see a list of everything you have set up thus far. This layout can be quite helpful for visualizing the structure of your site and deciding where you might want to add or shift pages around. To add a new page, look for the button labeled Add Page. This option lets you create a fresh blank page or choose from templates created by Wix. Once you click this button, a new page will appear in your list of existing pages. It's a straightforward process, and this addition can be a game changer when you have new content or features to introduce to your site. Now, when it comes to organizing these pages, Wix makes it remarkably simple. You can rearrange the order by clicking and holding the page you want to move, then dragging it to its new location. It's akin to moving files around on your desktop, intuitive and easy to understand. This drag and drop feature ensures that you can comfortably reconfigure your site's navigation in no time, enhancing the experience for your visitors. Next up, let's discuss how to delete a page should you find it necessary. Sometimes certain pages become redundant or are no longer needed. In such cases, you'll want to look for the three little dots next to the page name. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. Among the options you'll see Delete. Clicking Delete will remove the page from your site. Remember, once you delete a page, it can't be restored unless you've backed it up beforehand, so ensure this action is what you truly intend to do. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to tailor your Wix site by adding, rearranging, and deleting pages. The flexibility offered by Wix empowers you to craft a website that's uniquely yours with a seamless navigation structure. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to experiment with these features and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy website building.